Northern raccoon, Procyon loader. Classification of northern raccoon is in the northern raccoon is in kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, the class Mammalia, the order is Carnivora, the family is Procyonidae, and then the genus is Procyon. The specific epithet for the northern raccoon is loader. Some of the features of raccoons. Raccoons are anywhere between 16 to 28 centimeters in length, and they can average a weight of 11 to 57 pounds. The coats that raccoons have are made up of dense fur that protects them from the elements. Raccoons have a gray coat that is distinct with black rings and a mask around their eyes, and which is where they get some of their common names, like being the masked bandits or ringtails. But also, males are usually larger than females. Habitats can range from anywhere from the woods to your backyard. But raccoons are a terrestrial species that really thrive throughout hot hardwood stands. They usually are located near bodies of water like creeks, ponds, lakes, or even rivers, mainly because this is where they feed at and what their main food source comes from. And raccoons really depend on snags, which is what they live in. They'll go in and make nests within these snags, which are dead hollow trees, and this is where they'll nest during the day. Well, they'll den during the day. The species is a habitat generalist, so they can survive in many different environments. That's why they do really well in urban environments. Male raccoons are polygamous, while most female raccoons are monogamous and will mate with other males and will not mate with other males after they have been bred. Males will go in search of females that are in estrus and they'll roam their home range in search of those females. Mating usually occurs from January to mid-February, and after female is bred, gestation usually lasts 63 to 65 days, and they will have a litter of young called kittens. And the litter sizes are average of 2 to 5 kits per litter. And females give birth to their young in their dens, which is made out of the hollow trees. Like like said before, raccoons have a very wide range of diet. They're omnivorous. They'll eat anything from other animals, to nuts, fruits, and berries. The main parts of the diet though are fruits, plants, nuts, berries, insects, rodents, frogs, eggs, and crayfish. Raccoons are known highly as being a big nest predator, and a lot of trapping and predator control happens to try to increase turkey populations and keep these animals out of turkey nests. Raccoons in urban environments can often be observed searching through garbage for food as well, and they'll eat stuff like that as well. Raccoons are common and can be found all throughout the United States, into Canada, and into South America. Species, some raccoons have also been introduced into other parts of the world, but they're not native to those places. There's other species in the same family that are cousins to the raccoons, but they are not of the same species. But raccoons can be found in anywhere from urban environments to farmland landscapes and hardwood riparian areas, which is where they're most commonly found. Some cool, interesting facts about raccoons is raccoons can run up to speeds of at least 15 miles an hour, which is incredible for these short-legged animals. Specific epithet loader means washer, referring to raccoons dowsing. And dowsing is when it looks like raccoons go to wash their food, but when really it's them using the water to make their hands more sensitive, to make them be able to see what parts of the food they're eating and make sure if the part of the food that they're eating is what they want. And that's just something that's really cool about something people think is washing their food when in reality it's